be doing about symbols, but more specifically, these types of symbols which show which number is bigger. All right, so we have Zach here on our seat for today, and he's going to be helping you viewers at home learn a bit about what this all means. So, Zach, as said previously, this symbol kind of shows which number is bigger. So, for example, the correct way of doing it would be like that. So basically show that 10 is the bigger number than 5. Okay, so if I did this, would that be correct?
No.
Exactly, well done. So, can you come up here, right? And then now show me which way it needs to go. So, does the sort of crocodile mouth, does it face that way, or does it need to face that way? Absolutely amazing, well done. I'm gonna give you one more, okay? One more to finish off. All right, so now what about, if I put 5 here, and then I'm gonna go 12 on this one. Which is the correct one for me? So which way is the correct way of doing it? Yeah, well done, mate. High five, absolute hero. Thank you very much, and let's say bye to the viewers.
See ya!
See you in the next video. Thank you for everything, and have a great day. All right, bye.